Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to change the language settings on a HP Photosmart 5524. Now this is nice and simple, be done from the printer itself using nothing but the touch screen and the buttons shown here. Now I've obviously got my machine set to English currently, but if you have it in a language that you don't understand, you should be able to replicate the button presses I'm going to do to get you where you need to be. Now the first thing we're going to do is press on the spanner icon on the top right hand side here. Now we're here, we're going to click on Preferences, and Set Language is the very top option. So we press into that. Now as you can see, I'm at the very top of the menu and English is the top option. So you're just going to need to navigate yourself to there if you find yourself in a different language. To move through the options, just use the arrows here, and as soon as you're not on the top option, that up arrow appears as well. So you can just move yourself to the top, press English, yes to confirm. As you can see, yes was the top option for me, and you're all set. As I say, nice and simple, but I hope you found it useful anyway. If you have, please do let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know about this machine, please do let us know down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.